The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound I. Repeat after me. I. 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 I in boil. Again, boil. Noise. Again, noise. Voice. Again, voice. Choice. Again, choice. Moist. Again, moist. Spoil. Again, spoil. Coin. Again, coin. Joint. Again, joint. What other words has the middle sounds I? I in toy. Again, toy. Joy. Again, joy. What other words has the final sounds I? Now, let's practice phrases with the sounds. Ready? Whole of boil. Again, whole of boil. Spoiled with joy. Again, spoiled with joy. Noise of a coin. Again, noise of a coin. Choice of a toy. Again, choice of a toy. Moist of a boiled water. Again, moist of a boiled water. Now, let's practice sentences with the sounds. Ready? Joy likes a boy's toy. Again, Joy likes a boy's toy. I don't like the noise of her voice. Again, I don't like the noise of her voice. Spoil the child with a coin. Again, spoil the child with a coin. Touch the moist of a boiled water. Again, touch the moist of a boiled water. I have a boil in my joint. Again, I have a boil in my joint. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound I. Repeat after me. I. 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 I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.